Hello friends, now that we are in such crucial times, and getting vaccinated has become a priority for everyone today, it is very time consuming and frustrating to keep checking for slots with no luck. Let us check this easy way of how to get notified for available slots and then book it. Just open Google and type vaccinateme.in. Once it is open, you have options to search by district or PIN code. You can use the drop-down to select the state and the desired district to check for the slots. It will now show you all the slots that are available at your preferred location. You can click on various filters to check the availability accordingly. In case the slots are not available, you can set an alert to get notified when a slot opens up. Just enter your phone number to get notified on WhatsApp. Enter the 6-digit OTP and submit. And your notification is set. So next time, when a slot opens up in your area, you will get notified via WhatsApp. Now let us see when the slots are available, how to book it. Simply enter your state and district as earlier. Click on the desired date with the available slots to check for the venue. Click on the preferred location and it will redirect you to Cowin website to register. Enter the phone number to get OTP. Enter the OTP sent to our mobile number. It will take you to the screen where you can register up to 4 members for the vaccination. To register, keep any of your photo ID proof ready for the details. Enter these basic details and click on Register. You are registered successfully and a confirmation message for the same will also be delivered. I hope this was helpful. Please share this with your friends and family to keep everyone updated.